Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really special, an iconic blend of power, style, and utility, the Chevy Silverado SS. This beast has been turning heads for years, and today, we're going to see why. Let's start with the exterior. The Silverado SS stands out with its bold grille, sleek lines, and that unmistakable stance. Chevy didn't just build a truck, they created a statement. And of course, those SS badges let you know this is no ordinary Silverado. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, we've got insert engine details, e.g., 6.0L Vortec V8 pushing out 345 horsepower. This truck was designed to perform, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling some serious work. And let's not forget the all-wheel drive that comes standard, it's ready for whatever you throw at it. Inside, the Silverado SS is just as impressive. It's got highlight features, e.g., leather seats, a premium sound system, and plenty of space for passengers and gear. Chevy didn't skimp on comfort and tech, making this truck perfect for long drives or daily commutes. Now, let's take it for a spin and see how it feels on the road. One thing that stands out is, describe driving experience, e.g., the smooth ride and the roar of the V8 engine, it's pure adrenaline. The Chevy Silverado SS is a truck that does it all: power, performance, and style. If you're a fan of classic muscle wrapped in a pickup, this is the one to watch. Let me know in the comments what you think about this beast. Would you drive one? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more amazing content. I've got plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned.